Hello, my name is Misha. This is my timeline. 650 million years. Park to responses. 65 million years ago, dinosaurs and Stone Age, the 65,000 BC, egg were 650 BC. Rome is 65 BC. BC 1 before chariot. ADL Nero Domini 1096 AD, the first Crusades. 1914 and 1918 and 1969 1945 World War I and II 1991 first World Wide Web 2019 Korea birth centers 2225 global warming 2030 go new earth and 2400 are earth is broken and 2500 new earth upgrade